What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay with 2 A's, and I am back again with another video. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go and get my IUD put in today for birth control because the patch was just not patching with me. Okay, so they said a procedure takes about 10 minutes. I seen a lot of bad reviews. Hopefully my review goes real good because my pain tolerance slim to none. Okay, I can't take no pain. So I'm about to take a shower and I gotta be there by 9:30 or 9:15. My surgery is at 9:30. So I'll check in with y'all. I might record in there if they let me. But y'all know I'm gonna give y'all an honest opinion because I don't sugarcoat. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I made it to my doctor's office. I look a mess, but it's surgery day and they just put the tree up, y'all. Let me show y'all the tree. Hold on. They about to put the skirt on the tree, so can't no kids play with the plug. But it is 9:05 and I have to be back there at 9:15. Well, I have to be here at 9:15 and my appointment is at 9:30. So I'll keep y'all updated. I'm a little nervous, but I did take a ibuprofen. Hopefully that helps, because like I told y'all, the pain reviews was bad. It was bad. So we'll see. All right, y'all, so I'm in the back and I just signed a consent form, and then this is what it looks like. Just the top part, but so I'll keep y'all updated. All right, y'all, so I just got done and the experience was not bad at all. It was not bad at all. He literally taught me through the process. I had a great nurse, great doctor, and it just felt like a period cramp. So
there you go.
The double behind Diddy's alleged campaign.
yeah, I'm looking for the salted kind, and I only see the unsalted. And I know she's not going to use like a generic brand, because when my auntie make cakes, baby, she making them from the soul, okay? So I might have to call her because they don't really have much of a selection. So, oh, they got this one, but it's whipped. Like that man. Stop playing with me, okay? I'm back. All right, y'all, so I think I got everything except the butter, so I'm gonna have to go to Winn-Dixie to get that. But this is one basket. Once I get to the register, it's gonna cost a lot of money. So I will definitely keep y'all updated because the store is pretty packed today. And see y'all in a minute.
My figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you.
Alright, y'all, so I'm in Kroger's and I seen this on TikTok where they got the buy two, get three for free. So I'm about to rack up because y'all know I own a lot of vending machines and I'll be taking some stuff. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I got my drinks and then I got a couple of juices to go in there, but I'll let y'all know the total in a minute because I think the sale is only going on until the 23rd. So if y'all can get to Kroger's, then y'all better get to them.